starting my intro here, but I'm at Jake's house with the boat. It's 6:34 and he's not answering his phone, which means he's still asleep. So I'm gonna call him one more time, and if he doesn't answer, we gotta go in.
It's Jake, leave a message.
Okay. Alright. Oh man. He always does this. Oh, he just peeked through his window. I just saw him peek through his window. He's awake. He literally just peeked through his window. I see you. I see you. Do you want to say hi?
No.
He said he said no. Good morning.
Hang on, let me take a sip of coffee. Oh, there's no one.
Oh my god, there's 3.
There's 3.
Jake, this is beautiful. Good morning.
Hello.
Hi.
Morning. Welcome back. Use code Becca on the Googling Squad website and you'll get 15% off your order.
That is facts.
Help a girl out.
All right, so we got the boat in the back. Jake and I are taking out my boat this morning. I've never fished here, but if you can't tell, it is super clear. So I think that we should be able to get on some good fish, but nonetheless, it is so beautiful out this morning. So I'm just ready to get out on the boat. We had some battery issues, trolling motor battery issues last night. So we're hoping that all goes to plan and the trolling motor battery doesn't, you know, fail on us, but we'll see. We're gonna back the boat in right now and get ready, and I'll meet you guys out there. Thank you for coming. Truly kind of you. You. All right.
Okay.
There she goes.
Just be careful, like, try to stay.
It died.
Oh. Be careful.
All right, she's on again. I'm gonna drive really slow to get her started. Woo! We're on them. Where?
Huh?
What do you want?
I think there's rocks out here.
All right, so go that way or no?
No.
You don't want me to hit the rock?
Yeah.
All right. We made it to our first little spot. I'm probably gonna start off with a jerk bait.
Is it working?
She ain't working.
I don't know. Hang on.
I wouldn't doubt it if she wasn't working. She's working. I just had a follow.
Really?
It was a massive perch.
Really?
Massive perch. Oh my god. There we go. Oh! Ah, I just lost a fish. Gosh darn it. No, way off of it. You got one? On the buzz bait? What the heck, man? Oh! I was snagged, but Jake just caught a fish, so, you know, check out his video if you don't want to watch me get snagged. God damn it. Alright, Jake and I just shoot it over to the complete opposite side of this place. Not really shoot over. We went a slow 5 miles per hour because there's a speed limit over here, but we're gonna try this side. We're kind of just exploring this place because I've never really been here ever. I've driven past this place before, but I've never fished it. Jake hasn't really fished it that hard, so we're kind of just exploring this place a little bit. It's definitely it's definitely dirtier over here. Dirtier water. But that's good because dirtier water holds heat. All right, another update for you guys. Jake and I are trying to figure out this place a little bit better, but I'm gonna tell you guys exactly what's going on with the boat at some point throughout the day, so you guys are more informed about what I'm trying to do and what's been happening. But for now, Jake and I are gonna be fishing, and hopefully you guys get to see some fish catches. I did catch a fish yesterday, so I'm gonna roll that clip. And then that was my first fish I ever caught in the boat. So enjoy. Got one. Oh, yes. Yes, oh my God. First fish in the new boat.
That's true. First fish on the boat.
First fish on the boat ever. Came on the Googan Squad little juicy jig, and then I have that paired up with a saw crab, like 10,000 fish. Oh my God, it's not a toad or anything, but holy crap. First fish ever in the boat. Witnessed here. See you later, buddy. That was awesome. Oh, yes. Dude, that looks so, oh my God. How far back do you think we can make that?
I don't know.
Do you see our turtle? Oh my God.
Give me like that, huh?
There's 4. There's 4 turtles. I say we full send it back here.
Yeah, for sure.
Oh, he's a perch. There's a perch.
Bass,
Back,
right
what? I don't see him. I don't see him.
You're not wearing your polarized.
No, I'm not. Oh, he came off.
I had him.
Yeah, I had something. Oh, got him. Yes! Woo! Let's go. Oh my God. All right, well.
Nice little guy.
It's a nice little guy, the drop shot. Jake and I are way back in, well, actually, we're almost out now. But I'm pretty sure this is the same fish that I missed. But I mean, this is a decent sized little guy for a creek like this. It's super shallow. Well, after a couple hours, here we go. First fish for me. I lost a couple. Jake got a nice one though, but just a little guy. I really love you. Thank you for biting. Look how clear this is. You're going to go right back. There he goes. You want to try starting the motor? Oh, just look at this. Oh yeah. That nice New England wind. Oh my God.
We're about to get capsized.
Oh. Dude, what the? That was kind of scary, I'm not gonna lie. Holy crap. Good? Wow, look at my hair. Well, if you couldn't tell, it got brutal outside. So the game plan now is I'm gonna head home, do whatever. Jake and I are gonna get some things done, and then I'm gonna talk to you guys about what's going on with the boat to end off the video. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed yesterday's catch and today's kind of mess with our engine and whatnot. But that will be all explained in a little bit. How was today?
It wasn't bad. It was beautiful out, so that's good.
It was a really good morning though. It was so calm when we first got here. But yeah, see you guys in a little bit. Okay, welcome back. It is a couple days later, but bear with me. There was a lot of reasons why. I wanted to get a little bit more information before I explained everything in this video. I'm not going to explain everything because, well, you'll see. So, 2 brand new batteries yesterday, which is why I waited until today to say something to you guys, because I just got the new batteries. 2 new batteries in the front and new battery in the back. The 2 new batteries are going to be for the trolling motor because it's a 24 volt, so that means that I need 2 batteries, 2 12 volt batteries to make the 24 for the trolling motor. My boat's covered up right now because I just got home with the boat, which you guys will see that video next. It was a pretty good day out in the water. I caught a decent amount of fish, so you guys will see that in the next video. But yeah, the engine's just, yeah, some issues. We replaced the spark plugs and everything, and then we got a new battery in hopes that it would help with the engine, because those are like the cheaper fixes to try to fix their engine. It didn't really work well. It worked a little bit better today, but you guys will see that in the next episode. I got a new fish finder, which you guys will also see in the next episode. So new fish finder, 3 brand new batteries, the new trolling motor on its way. And yeah, this thing's about to be a pretty sick rig. So wait until tomorrow's video, or probably be posted in about 2 to 3 days, like I always do. I post every 2 to 3 days. But it is a killer rig right now. I can't wait for the trolling motor to come in. It'll be 70-pound thrust, and I have a 40-pound thrust right now. So it's going to be a massive difference, and it's going to be pretty sick. So hopefully you guys are enjoying these boat updates, and the boat videos are coming. I've been out on my boat 3 times in the past 4 days, and then I might go out tomorrow or the day after that. So there's a lot coming. Definitely a lot of boat videos coming, so stay tuned. It's going to be epic, and the next video is going to be pretty sick because I did get in some good fish today. So boat videos are on its way. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's episode, and I'll catch you guys next time.